Yo, what's up? My name is Jason and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a very nice clean 2000s VHS effect in After Effects. Starting off, I already have my clip right here. I'm gonna right click and go to new and then go to adjustment layer. Then once we have our adjustment layer right here, so I'm gonna go right here to our adjustment layer, click on it and make sure it's actually selected. Then I'm gonna go right here to glow and then I'm gonna drag it in. And it's gonna actually start affecting our clip right here. I'm gonna go right here to our threshold and I'm gonna put it around at 49, and it's gonna increase 49, and it's gonna increase the harshness of our glow effect right there. You actually want to go right here to glow radius and you're gonna increase it, so I might increase it to 78, and it's gonna start increasing our actual radius of our glow effect, and it's gonna make it less harsh. So you can see the after, then before, then it's gonna be after once again. Once after that, you can go ahead and change your own with the glow effect. And then for our next effect, you're actually gonna need the signal plugin. So I'm gonna go right here and drag in the signal plugin. So I'm gonna go right here to emulating VHS, put on VHS LP for long play, go to lumen modulation and turn off tape errors. Then I'm gonna go to our signal strength. I'm gonna lower it from 40 all the way to 29. Then I'm gonna go to my signal amplification and just bring it up to one more up, so it's going to be around at 2. Then go to my hue noise about right here, and I'm going to bring it down from 15 all the way to 7. Then go to my chroma loss right here, then I'm going to put it at 0.4. and yeah, that is all the effects you need in order to create a very nice and vintage 2000s VHS effect in After Effects. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you did, I would appreciate it if you were to subscribe. I upload around 3 to 4 times a week. Keep on staying creative, keep working hard, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.